Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how you can delete section break on macOS in Google Docs. So if you tried placing your cursor like before the section break and then pressing backspace, you can see that it's going to remove obviously the letter, right? Because on macOS we don't have a delete button. So how you can remove this? It's very simple. You just want to make sure you have this enabled, show non-printing characters, so you can actually see the paragraph symbols. So on macOS, you have to select those two symbols. So I'm gonna hold it, select it, and then you want to also select this second one, and then you want to press backspace. And now you have successfully removed your section break on macOS in Google Docs. So this is basically it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.